Hello all, welcome to Edifying Insights. Today's video is going to be very interesting and useful one. Children, we all use purse to keep money, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a purse with 3 simple things available at home. Now let us see the materials required to make a purse. 1 A4 size glitter paper, 1 press button, a double tape, few sequences and little fevicol. Now let's get started. Children, I hope you all like the purse. Once you make this purse, click picture of it and send it to me through WhatsApp. The number is given on the screen. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and subscribe to Edifying Insights and click on the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching.